Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to get a Monzo credit card. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to get a Monzo credit card here, or the Monzo Flex credit card, or the Monzo Flex card here, well, the first thing that you need to understand here is you only have the option to apply for one, or basically see if you're eligible inside the app. So in this case, if you don't have an account with Monzo yet, you may need to create your account first. But if you already have an account, how do you do so? So inside the app here, once you do log in, what you need to do is you want to look for your card. So you should see the add money and card section. Go and click on the card option here, or just click on Monzo. Now once you've selected that, this will redirect you to this page here. Now, this should show you the option to see your card details, add some money, see some feed or what happened with your account. But what you need to do is you want to go and just swipe left until you see this section here. Now, you should see the Flex credit card option, and it should give you the option that says learn more or not now. Now, the thing with this one is you need to scroll down until you see the section that says see if you're eligible. Now, if you click on see if you're eligible on the following pages, they will ask you to provide certain details about yourself, like your legal name, your address, and your contact details. Now, obviously, you may need to fill out those details, and once you do fill out those details, you can go and click on the submit button, and they will see if you're eligible for an account. Now, the thing with this one is you need to have a permanent residency so that they could actually determine where you actually live. So if you don't have if you don't have a permanent residence as of this moment, you may actually use like an address of a friend or a family member as a temporary one. But once you are approved, you can just change or update that to your actual permanent residency. But it's a lot better if you use your actual address at the very start so that it increases your chances of being approved. But yeah, so once you submit your application here, typically they would actually notify you or reach out to you if you actually qualify. And if you do qualify, they will guide you through the process on what documents that you may need to submit in order for you to get started. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.